So this e-bike have a problem with the motor hub. Customer said it's making a loud sound when riding it. Let's try it. Yep. So I think there's a problem with the nylon gear on this bike. So I'll take it apart and have a look. Yeah, as you can see, the nylon gear are all damaged. So the nylon gears arrive, and just gonna grease it up and whack it back on. So the motor's all greased up and back in place and ready to throw onto the bike, and should be good to go. Okay, so this one I've done the nylon gear in the motor, and now it's running really smooth, smoother than when it was brand new.